In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy or sell Aster token on AsterDEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and this link will take you to the official AsterDEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So I actually connected my Phantom wallet over here. If you don't know how to do this, I have videos on every single wallet you can connect on my channel, so go watch that first. And then whenever you have your wallet connected, you must have some balance, some tokens, some USDT on your wallet, and click on the deposit button. So right now I've done that already. So as you can see, I have some USDT on my spot account over here, and for the first time you do this, basically you're going to have to be under perpetual over here, click on deposit, and then you're going to have to select how much you want to deposit from your connected wallet, click on deposit, and then within just a few seconds up to a few minutes, your funds, your money is going to be on here on the AsterDEX. After that, what I would recommend to actually be able to easily buy or sell the Aster token, of course you can long it or short it over here, but I just would go to the spot section, and then I would transfer the money over to spot account by clicking up here onto your wallet and by clicking transfer, and then just transfer from perpetual to spot. Just go however much you want to do, click on transfer, and then here you'll be able to see the buy and the sell button. Then top left, just select your Aster token here. So I'm going to do Aster USDT, and whenever you want to buy it or sell it, just click on the buy button, select how much you want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy 7 Aster, just click on that and click on the buy button, and then you're successfully going to buy some Aster, and you'll be able to see it down here at the very bottom. Now, if you're trying to actually sell it, go to the sell button as well, and then you can just sell however much you want and click on the sell button. Of course, you can use the market order, a limit order, or a stop limit order for this as well. You also have the stop market and post only, as you can see, so it's completely up to you what you use, and then you'll be able to go ahead and track how your portfolio is doing. Inside your portfolio, you'll be able to see your balance, what you're holding, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.